Feeling like your 9-to-5 income isn't enough? You're not alone. Whether you're a student, a full-time employee, or someone just trying to grow financially, starting a side hustle in 2025 is one of the smartest ways to increase your income without quitting your day job. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly side hustles that you can start this year with little to no money, and that actually work in today's world. Let's dive in. Freelancing is booming. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer let you offer services like writing blog posts or social captions, graphic design or Canva work, managing Instagram or TikTok accounts, voiceovers or video editing. Don't worry if you're not an expert. Start with basic skills and grow from there. Many freelancers start by learning from free YouTube tutorials. Pro tip: niche down. Be the TikTok caption writer or Canva story creator, not just a general freelancer. Digital products equal passive income. You create it once and people buy it again and again. You can sell budget planners, resume templates, printable wall art, journals or habit trackers. Use free tools like Canva to create them. Then upload to Etsy, Gumroad or Payhip and promote on Pinterest, TikTok or Instagram. Pro tip: use SEO-friendly titles so people can find your products easily. You don't need to own products to earn money. With affiliate marketing, you recommend other people's products and get a commission for every sale. Join programs like Amazon Associates, Temu Affiliate, ClickBank, Impact or Share a Sale. Post product reviews or tutorials on TikTok, Instagram or YouTube Shorts. Then share your affiliate link. If someone buys through your link, you get paid. Pro tip: focus on a niche like beauty, gadgets or finance to build trust and loyal followers. If you're good at any subject, language or skill, you can teach it. Websites like Preply, CheckTutors or Superprof let you get paid to help others online. You can also start your own coaching. For example, budgeting help, resume building, study tips and fitness routines. Pro tip: use Zoom or Google Meet to run sessions. Promote through Facebook groups or Instagram stories. Design a shirt once and make money while you sleep. Print on demand lets you upload designs to platforms like Redbubble, Teespring or Printful. When someone orders, the company prints and ships. You get paid. Even if you can't draw, use Canva to make simple aesthetic or text-based designs. Pro tip: trendy niches like mental health quotes or study motivation work well in 2025. These side hustles aren't just trends, they're real opportunities. You don't need thousands of followers or fancy equipment to start. You just need time, consistency, and the willingness to learn as you go. Start with one hustle, give it a real shot, and build from there. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more content on personal finance and growth, and comment below which side hustle you're starting first. Let's build the life we want, one smart move at a time.